Hey everyone, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video I'm gonna show you all you need to know about Shopify. So in this video I'm gonna show you what Shopify is and what it does and all the extras that come with it. Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform, which means if you want to open or move your business online, Shopify is here to help you with different automations and plugins that help you get the maximum out of your e-commerce shop with little effort. So instead of hiring a web developer and tracking inventory, Shopify automates all of these things with its built-in software. So you can in just a couple of hours build a complete e-commerce website. So you can see why Shopify is very popular. So to make a clean and functioning website with low to no web design or web programming background, Shopify gives you two options. Either you can choose from different templates that you like and customize it to your needs with different fonts and colors, or you can do them from scratch with Shopify's easy to use website builders. With these tools you can list your product, track your inventory, and organize your marketing campaign. Now, what can you sell on Shopify? Well, basically everything except the obvious. From products or services, even gift cards. You can list it all. Now, what's cool about Shopify is it has a POS system. Now, the Shopify POS is a point of sale system designed specifically for retail businesses. It allows you to make in-person sales. You can use the system to scan products, add them to a cart, calculate totals, and accept payments, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. You can manage inventory. Shopify POS automatically updates your inventory levels as you make sales, helping you stay organized and avoid shortcuts. You have built-in customer relationships. The system captures customer data with each sale, allowing you to create profiles, track purchase history, and run targeted marketing campaigns. And finally, it offers omni-channel experiences. Shopify POS integrates seamlessly with your Shopify online store, enabling features like buy online, pick up in store, and vice versa. Now, all of that is to facilitate your e-commerce experience. And on top of that, you can sell anywhere on the internet, from Google to social media and marketplaces, through the tools that Shopify gives you. Now let's talk about analytics. Shopify gives you in-depth analytics for you to optimize your e-commerce shop, as well as the customer's experience. Data like what was added to the shopping cart, loyal customers, and it even shows you the conversion rates. All these analytics and more that can help you scale up your business. Now, if you remember before, I mentioned integrations. Now, integrations, as it's stated here, the Shopify app advantage. Shopify covers the basics every business needs. For everything else, there's apps. You have an epic variety of apps with over 8,000 apps for all the different ways you want to customize your store. And they're all tried, tested, and vetted. For example, you have apps to customize your store. You have apps for sourcing. You have apps for marketing. These integration basically helps you with building your store or even makes it better. Now that we've got all of that covered, I'm gonna give you some examples of Shopify stores. For example, Gymshark, the popular fitness apparel brand, is a Shopify store. Even Kylie Cosmetics, founded by Kylie Jenner, used Shopify to build their store. So with this video, now you know what Shopify is and what it does with all of its integrations and automations, plus a couple of websites built with Shopify. Now, if you wanna know how to build your own Shopify store, stay tuned and hit the bell button because we're also gonna cover that too in the next videos. So stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Profit Stream.